How to log in to Roadrunner email account. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joins. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to any of your web browser and at the top search bar type in Roadrunner email login. Once you do so, you will see the first search result of a Spectrum webmail. Roadrunner has changed to Spectrum webmail. Just tap open the first link. In here, type in your email address. Once you do so, type in your email password. If you would like this site to remember your email address, check the box that says remember email address. Once done, check the box of I'm not a robot and tap on to sign in. In case you have forgotten your email address or email password, click these links below and get help resetting your account. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.